Hey,
Oh, my
and
outfit's
just
cute.
Reese.
Which it should
Just
be.
my. We about
You
to
should be
try
darker
this new
because
game over
it's
here called Dead
on a boat.
Sails.
Dead
In the sun.
sails.
This looks so cool.
We got 2 boats.
Alright, how do I? Where am I
We
going?
got 4 boats.
Use the coal to
Why do we
refuel
have
the
so
boat.
many?
Dang, I got the sack.
Does everyone
Oh
get their
snap!
own
I
boat?
got the axe.
Everyone gets their own boat.
Okay,
Let's
I call in
go.
front of the ship.
I call it back.
Wait, hold up. I haven't even explored this area yet.
Oh, we have like 0 fuel. Okay.
What in the world? Oh, look at that. What in the world? This is going in my sack.
The pipe.
I'm getting a torch for mine.
Wait, it's not. How do I put this in my sack?
Right there. Click on sack.
Okay.
Store.
I got that.
I want the back of this boat.
What is a shock oil? What does that do?
Mm-hmm.
Look at these trees.
Go get it, man.
Chop. It's like Minecraft.
Oh, that's not Minecraft.
You can't. That's not
Oh
what
dang.
it's for.
Get back in the building.
See, can't watch because you're gonna make me car sick.
My bad.
The way
Hold
that
on.
you're
You
playing.
get the
Okay,
dead body.
I'll just move slow.
No. Let me know when you're on the boat. I'm not watching you.
Bounty selling. Okay. Can I take some of this stuff? What about this water bottle? Dang, this is a huge area.
I'm gonna go ahead.
What? Can I go in the water real quick?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, what? Yo, this is crazy.
Okay, are we ready to go?
I'm just kind of looking around. I didn't know you could go behind the buildings over here.
You can in the other game.
Dang, that was a loud fart.
Oh, we can sprint.
How do you sprint?
The sprint button.
What button is that?
I don't know. I don't know.
Just for you, it'd probably press down. Press down on the thing.
The left stick?
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh, wow.
well, everyone get on their boat things because I'm gonna start the boat.
Okay, well, hold on. We're still exploring. This is a gun store. I got 20 bucks. Revolver
And ammo.
and ammo. Look at this. Extra stuff's here.
Well,
What's
Dad,
that?
do you want to be
What
the
in
boat
the
driver?
world? Yeah, I do.
Pew.
Okay.
Gun store. Then you got all kinds of stuff in here. Rifle ammo, $12 rounds. I only got an axe, so okay. I'm gonna go.
What the heck is that?
Okay, we're coming to the boat. I think I did enough
So I
exploring.
went ahead, but there's a big Kraken arm.
So are we all in the same boat?
Yeah.
So I'm just driving?
Yeah. I've already put fuel.
Oh, and I got all the time done in front of me. Good idea. Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah, Reese is ahead.
Okay, here we go.
I'm stuck.
You're on your own boat, Reese?
Yeah, but there's a no. I'm walking, but look at that Kraken arm.
That's scary.
It's big. It's humongous.
I think that's the end.
No, that's not the end. There's
It's
just
right there. Look, in your...
I know, I see it.
stop at that house. Stop at that house. I'm stopping.
This one here?
Yeah.
Let's go explore this house. Where's Mari?
Come here.
Is there zombies in this one? Ready to get the axe out.
No, that's the sprint.
Oh, look, this house is up ahead there, too. Are we going to check out those houses?
Yeah, nurse is already over there.
Yeah, they're cracking. It's crazy. Is that a zombie right there?
What
Oh,
is
that's the zombie.
this?
Ooh, I want some
What is
stuffs.
this?
Yeah, nurse is there.
Use that corpse as a fuel.
What is this? I want this.
Like I got a revolver.
Oh, wow. That got a rifle.
Ooh, get the rifle.
Oh, yeah.
Man, this house is trash.
Well, we just
We
got
can't
some
even
stuff.
pick up the books or the chairs.
Well, that sucks kind of for you.
I can't get any of this stuff, but it's okay.
What is that? I want to get it. I'm gonna shoot it.
Yep, somebody's hitting something.
A drown? Oh, it's like in Minecraft.
I want to shoot this farm.
Who was that? You just killed something?
A drown. It's a zombie.
I want to shoot this. Oh,
Oh, should we head back?
yes.
There's something running fast over there.
That's Marisa.
Red eyes up ahead right there.
That's not Marisa. No, that's not Torch.
Who's getting chased by the zombie over
Marissa, I'm getting chased.
here? Yeah,
I didn't even know.
yeah, he stopped chasing now. Dang, there's a building up over there.
When do we get to the ocean?
I don't even know, man.
We're supposed to get to the
Okay, Dad,
ocean.
you gotta drive now.
Okay, you guys
Yes,
ready?
sir.
Here we
Yes,
go.
sir.
Dad, hurry, drive. They're all coming.
Oh, one of them just didn't got in. Oh, one of them did.
Oh, he's coming to you.
Oh,
Okay, get him.
Take him out.
don't jump.
I didn't know.
Oh, stop. Wait, I'm gonna get this second.
Stop now.
Yeah.
No, there's zombies everywhere.
So, just shoot him.
I don't want to kill them.
Oh, the Kraken disappeared. Is he gonna pop up in front of me?
Look at house.
Gonna
Can we
pop
stop
up
at the
somewhere.
next house? Stop at the next house.
Wait, when do I stop now?
Yes. Just slow it down. Just move it.
Yeah, we don't got enough fuel for that, Dad.
Well, we need
that
more
has
fuel.
zombies.
Oh, hold
Get
on.
your zombies out.
Burn them in the fireplace.
Hold on.
I'll stay on the boat.
There.
There you go.
Take them.
Dad, behind you. Behind you.
What's
Dad,
behind me?
Where's go? Oh, it's right there.
I'm cutting his head with this axe. What the heck? How do I grab him?
Oh, you got another one.
How do I pick him up?
Yeah, I'll pick him up.
But what do I do to pick him up?
I don't know.
There's another one.
Oh my gosh! What is me? What is going on? Oh my gosh!
Disgust.
Oh my gosh!
Help Myri.
Where are you,
I
Mary?
just got picked up by a mosquito.
Oh, dang.
It's
I need to hide in here.
It's coming for you, Marissa.
Wait, put the things in the fuel.
Okay, how do I pick him up again?
Oh my gosh.
Same
You
same
can't
button.
even get away because you have no fuel.
Oh, sorry, Reese. I'm leaving you behind on
I
accident.
Oh
killed
my
it.
god.
Hold on.
You left everybody.
You left me. And I got us fuel.
Dad, did you drop your rifle?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
did. But I have no bullets, so
Oh,
there's
my
no
watch
use
was
for it.
coming off like this entire time.
We need fuel. Okay, we got one in there. What is this?
It's Robux for that.
What's that for?
There's supply.
It's a Robux.
Like, if you get like items, but it's Robux.
Pick up your stuff.
Okay, we're full on fuel. I have your rifle, Dad. I picked
But
it
this
up.
thing I can pick up.
Oh, it's about to be morning.
I don't know how to get it. Is
It's
it under?
the boat.
Don't worry, you cannot get anything. It's like, it's not even worth it.
Damn, we got so much room on this boat.
Okay, I'm gonna drive down.
Okay, you drive. Look, you can jump. You can jump in this boat.
Yeah, you can, but I wouldn't risk it, kind of, you know.
There's a thing up there.
Oh my gosh, my phone's at 1%. Mari, let me use your charger.
My phone's up.
Okay, babe, look at
Okay,
this
well,
pirate.
mine's gonna die, like, right now if I don't put it on the charger. I'm not playing anymore.
There's a pirate right here.
Oh, nobody. This guy's not even paying attention anyway, so.
My phone
Um,
just died.
Are you listening?
Yeah, I thought you had a charger. Whose charger is this?
I did, but
Why don't you go get your vacuum one out?
okay, your leg is pulling this.
My bad.
Right now it's gonna be on the freaking.
Where are you? Where are you? Where'd your body go in there? So I'll take it.
No. You guys died when the boat was moving. I lost all my stuff.
Are you over here or on a boat?
He's not
Okay,
listening to you.
Marissa. I just robbed the Bengal by
He's not listening.
Should we start from the beginning since we didn't get that far?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Leaving.
It's gonna be a minute before my phone charges.
It's okay.
Do you want this phone?
We'll start from the beginning. Here I am with my sailing hat.
You don't
You
need
want
it.
this one? This one's mine.
You know she yelled at me the other day.
Who?
Linnea.
Whose charger is that?
And I just looked at her. And I had to think about what my next move was gonna be, or else I was gonna get in trouble. So I didn't do anything bad. I just looked at her, and I was like, "You don't need it."
Whoa.
It's okay. Dad just sat here and let her talk to me like I was stupid yesterday. And I have to sit here and be like, are you listening to her?
What did
I
she
told her
say?
like 3 times to go
She
clean
had it
it up.
plugged in and her phone was like plugged in.
Great. She took my stuff and then didn't want. She yelled at me. And she was like, "Everybody in this house takes my charger, and nobody knows how to give it back." And I was like, "That's why you took my." I asked her. I was like, "Linnea, you should keep your phone on the. You should like."
What? They
we're playing
won't let me go
Roblox."
over there.
And I was like, "Linnea,
That's weird.
go get a charger." And she's like, "Well, everyone in this house doesn't know how to get their own charger, so they take mine." And she's like, "You're the one that had my charger, so don't tell me to like charge my phone."
I don't know how you didn't slap her because
I had to think of.
you
I'm
slapped
learning
me for looking
pacing.
at you for too long.
I slapped you because you tried to take the charger.
You won't let me go down there.
Actually, I didn't slap you. I like almost broke your jaw.
You did break my jaw.
I didn't.
Not
What
break your
are you
jaw.
guys talking about?
I didn't eat for a week. It was basically broken.
It's not broken.
I just bruised it. Okay, not my proudest moment. That's why I said
Okay, I'm
I
stopping
need
the
to think
stream.
about it because I cannot, as an 18-year-old, just sit here and smack the hell out of. He was so funny. Sorry, I'm asking.
Sorry for the long pause in our broadcasting streaming.
Marissa, we're waiting for you.
Okay, hold on. Give me a second.
You wanted to play this one.
What in the world just happened? I didn't want to create no dang lobby. Alright. I gotta find you guys.
I'm right here.
Where? Oh, there you are. Okay. Now, where's Nisa?
She's
How come this
texting
person
me.
has a cat shirt like you?
What? No, they don't.
Yes, they have. Look,
Mine's better.
they have a cat. Hello Kitty.
This isn't Hello Kitty on my shirt, though. This is just a cat.
Okay, so what are we doing now?
Waiting for Marissa.
Okay, I'm joining. Okay, I'm joining. You guys are so rude. Not you guys. Freaking Myri. So rushing me out.
Okay, we want to fight the Kraken.
The crackhead.
Did you guys know back then the Kraken was a word of greeting? That
Was
word?
crack-a-lacking.
Yeah.
What's cracking?
Yes.
What's crack-a-lacking?
You guys think we're like this new generation?
Linnea.
We were still around when you had to change the channel on
Okay,
Comcast.
are we jumping in
okay?
there?
You know, did I tell you that I had to explain to these kids at school about how I used to watch TV?
Yeah.
What the heck happened? What did you have to explain?
That I watched what Comcast was and showed them pictures of what on demand was and like scrolling through each channel. Like they asked me if Netflix was around and I was like, yeah, but
What
it
in the
wasn't
world are
popular. You know, like
Netflix was a thing?
How did it go from a shovel to an axe? What happened to the axe I had to begin with? What in
Who
the
stole
world?
the bowl?
Taking that cup. Taking this plate. What else? Oh, look at all this money.
big and greedy.
Greedy.
You're big and greedy. You're big and greedy. You're bigger and
$3.
greedier. You're bigger and greedier.
$3.
Hella greedy. Took
Big and
all
greedy.
the money, all the items for the
My
money.
name's Myri and I'm greedy.
My name's Marissa, and I took all the items for myself because I'm
What in the
greedy.
world, you guys?
Because at least I know how to use it.
Your greed sickens me.
Okay, and your breath sickens me.
Can you guys stop doing that on my stream? Hey.
Well, can you at least buy coal for the boat?
Well, can you just learn how to use
guns.
researches?
How's the gun?
Can you
gonna
just
make the
please-
boat go?
I bought one gun, okay, and a ammo.
Yeah, but you need to buy coal so the boat can have fuel. The gun's not gonna fuel the boat.
Why don't you just keep on the fire?
You guys stop. What the heck, man? Yeah, can you do some of these girls that like talking like that on my stream?
It's Marissa.
First of all, it's not my fault. Second of all, I don't care. And third of all,
Dang,
it's
we're
not
only
my fault.
20%.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna.
because Marissa spent all her money on. the
Okay,
guns and not the
sorry. Oh my
coal.
gosh.
She's just greedy.
Okay, at least my character doesn't look big and greedy like your
Your
character.
character does look big,
Your-
greedy, and white.
Okay, and you act like yours isn't big, greedy, and white as well.
Mine's not. I have
Yes,
a cat
you are.
shirt on.
Dang, I
The
need
cat
more
shirt is
material.
not greedy.
Cats are greedy.
Your cat's greedy.
Yeah, because she's big and all she does is eat, just like you.
I'm not big.
Mari's the biggest person in this house.
Sorry.
Dad, why aren't you at the boat?
I'm sorry. I was trying to speak off.
There's no fuel in the boat.
I know, I need
Expensive
more
all
fuel.
around.
Okay,
We already got 20%. We're not going to make it that far.
that's
You
you
see if
just
there's
bring the boat over
Anything in
here.
the water
What
over here?
the?
What's that in the water?
See, so greedy, following me over here. Like,
It's the light on the boat.
just following me because you're greedy. Taking all my items.
First of all, this is a public house. This is a public house. Dad, can you bring the boat over to this house? It doesn't. We got fuel for it.
Alright, I'm bringing the boat.
Freaking don't listen to Myri. She's being rude.
You just take. This is what the Bible Wonder says.
My crack is itchy. Oh, look, the
Dang,
Kraken.
this boat goes fast, all the way up to a 70. Are you guys at that house?
Yeah, come closer over here. I'm right here, jumping.
But
Look,
have
look
you
at
gone
me.
to the house yet?
Yes, we did. Come get me, please.
Okay.
Come and get me.
Am I stopping right here?
Yes.
Is that Mario behind you back down there?
Wait, you're stopping too fast.
Oh, there's a zombie there.
Yeah, I'll go kill.
We're 6% fuel.
This is my end of the boat down here. Maya, which one's yours?
The middle.
I need
Okay, which middle?
Behind the front.
You can't drag anything with your sack equipped. Okay, what's our fuel looking like now?
We're at 16,
Okay,
21%.
that's really bad. Let's go closer. Let's move up more.
Let me see if I can get stuff out of this sack. Oh, I
There's
think I
nothing
sold it.
Okay, go closer.
I'll get us fuel.
Alright,
Move,
we're going.
Move fast so then. Just keep going until it runs out. It's not gonna last.
Well, that's not gonna take long.
What are you watching? Why are you laughing? Oh, it's 8:48 a.m. Dang, it's in the morning. We're good. Where you guys want to stop at? We're good.
Look, there's a house right there.
Dang, the Kraken just went down.
Well, my Kraken is itchy. Oh, look.
What the heck? What in the
Well, the
world?
crack in your mouth is about to appear.
What? That doesn't even make sense.
Really? Give it 3 seconds if you keep talking.
Dang, I need these zombies, man. I just need fuel.
How about I shoot them and you collect them, okay?
Alright, shoot him. Then where are you at?
Oh, there's a big mosquito over here. He's trying to. I'm gonna let him get Myri.
Why would you do that?
Why is he coming straight to me?
What is a bug eye?
Oh, it's dark. What the heck?
He just took Dad.
Oh, I'm going back to the boat. Where is the boat at? Yeah, I'm lost, guys.
Anything good in
Dad.
boxes?
I'm lost. I don't even know. Oh, this is the boat? I'm going back.
What is that noise?
Zombies following me, but I'm going
What is
back.
that noise?
This mosquito.
What in the world?
Release me! Release me!
Come over here and get Sasa, zombie. Come on. Oh, there's two of you guys? Oh.
Get these zombies and kill them.
No, the mosquito keeps
Mm.
getting me. He keeps picking me, following me.
Dang, these blue ones are pretty tough.
Where's my hammer?
I need you.
The mosquito stole my hammer.
We need some fuel.
That's hilarious.
Boom.
Dad, the mosquito's coming for you, Dad. He's
Okay,
coming for you. Get under the thing.
oh, hell no. Sasa, see? Wow.
That's fuel.
Huh?
That's
See?
fuel.
You beat him up.
That's what happened when you mess with me. And none of that really did anything for our fuel.
How about our fuel now?
Let's see. Oh, yeah, that did a lot.
well-
I don't
It's
have-
69%.
Thing.
Oh, wait. Myri's getting chased.
I don't, the mosquito stole my hammer.
Let's get you right in here where you belong.
I like that you have no eyebrows. It looks silly. Okay, Dad, are we
There's a zombie
ready?
right down there. Do we need them? No.
No, but
Okay.
our fuel.
Alright, we're ready. Let's go. All
It's
aboard.
10:47 p.m. He's
Get the
gonna
zombie right there, Mary. Blue one.
Yeah, mine sucks.
Why are you saying that?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
I'm not being mean. Look, another house. Can you go raid it?
No, it's way to put zombie.
Why are
life
you
is
in my
like
part of
crazy.
the boat?
The zombie's chasing me. What am I supposed to do?
Okay, slow down. Look at that
You don't
right
wanna
there.
help
Look
Maya?
at that right there.
Someone
Look,
kill
look,
this
look, look.
zombie.
Look at that
Why
house
doesn't
right
someone
there.
help me?
You
Fine,
don't
I'll go
Maya?
help you. Oh my gosh, complain. I'll complain. That's all I hear.
No, it's fine.
This is a
I jumped
pretty big
off the
house.
boat. Now I'm just running.
This is where I almost got killed by a witch.
Zombies are coming up right now.
I hope there's like a gun in here.
There's not.
You don't know that?
Ammo? I
That's
don't
mine.
even have a rifle.
That's mine. I stole
Like
it.
this really tiny little corner.
Those are my items.
What can I do to help you get comfortable? Pillows. Can we give a pillow to mom?
Mary, don't need a pillow.
It's fine. I have one.
I need this. Well, mine's being big and greedy.
Sun's coming up. I'm coming in with you guys.
I'm just collecting things.
Is there more stuff for me in
Leave
there?
stuff for Dad in
I
there.
did leave stuff for Dad.
There's a fuel stuff in there. Why is there an upstairs but no way to get upstairs?
You gotta figure it out.
I want to decorate my part of the boat.
There, Dad, there's a bunch of stuff in here you could grab. Myri wanted to be big and greedy, though.
Not even. I took 3 things.
Why
You're
is
the
there a
one that
ball?
took everything.
There's fuel if we need fuel. You could sell all of that, too.
There's no upstairs.
Oh, look, there's a weird, like, shed thing over there.
You want to go check it out?
Yeah, I'll be right back. Somebody's a hoarder.
Can you stop judging me?
No. I got a VR headset. What's that feel look like?
Yeah, I better come back before I get lost.
Oh my gosh, where did he go?
How do you guys run fast?
You just pick the thing. Pick the other thing. The other one. Press right control to unlock speed more.
Who, me?
Yeah, it says on the corner.
Press where?
Right control. Click
Hey,
it.
where'd you guys go?
Let me get this zombie. I'm right here, right behind you. I'm gonna pick up this zombie. So I can use it for fuel. Alright, okay, let's go. I got 10 items in here.
We get a boat for each person that plays the game.
So we can put our stuff in there?
Yeah, everybody gets their own boat.
Okay. White will be the one up ahead over here by the fireplace.
My stuff there?
Yep, I won't touch it. Just that's your boat.
I have a Easter item.
Yours is supposed to be this one.
What?
That's is supposed to be this middle one.
No, Dad, there's this one up here. It's a conductor.
Yeah, I'm the
That's
conductor.
another boat. Okay, I'm ready.
I'm just dropping all my stuff, making more room.
And I still don't have a weapon. I don't even...
Wait, make sure you weld it.
Oh, this?
Yeah, so it doesn't fly away.
I don't even have a weapon. The mosquito stole it.
That's hilarious.
How come it's not welding?
That's work.
Should tell you weld it. I can help you if you need help.
You see it in the bottom right corner?
Oh, yeah. Okay, all those are weld. Is this ball weld?
That's
Yeah.
welded. That's welded.
Okay, we're good. You guys ready to go?
Yes.
Let's roll. You guys want to... Is there any other houses around here?
Mm-mm.
There's a town right there.
Stop there.
Yeah.
Alright. Damn, that
You
looks
guys
like a
are
crazy
gonna have
town.
to protect you, so I'm kind of feeling.
It's 8:48 a.m. That's a wrong time, huh?
Yeah.
That's messed up. Show is coming. Oh, you drowned. Whoa, damn. Beat something. Yes. Yeah. You got the corner? Okay.
Hey, you can't just take everything, okay?
Okay. Oh, it's dark, you guys.
Just taking everything.
The Kraken's gonna come sweep you off here.
What about Dad?
Ooh.
Who else wants some of it? Huh?
So,
While you guys are all over there, I'm dealing with these things.
hey, why are you
People are
taking
trying
my
to attack me over here at the
Okay,
boat.
well, I'm gonna leave you and not save you.
I found this first.
Well, at least I'm gonna
I
share
have
it.
a thing for you.
Yeah, is there more things that need to get picked up?
I have a holy water for you.
I'm gonna come over there.
Dad, I'll share some of my stuff with you.
That goes in my sack.
What's that mean?
Hey! Oh, frick!
Is there a lot of them? Oh, this has a red carpet in here.
Ew.
I just accidentally dropped my gun. Why would they put a big freaking...
Oh, hell.
Did you take everything from the general store?
No, I didn't take anything from
I'll be
there.
careful. You're such a liar. Run, Dad, run.
You guys checking the church for everything?
Yeah, there we got everything. I'll share
Let's go.
my stuff with you. We need to
I
go,
really
though.
need a weapon. I'm just can't fight this person.
Go, Dad.
Coming. We got enough fuel, so I'm just
Ow,
gonna
no.
jump right into the sea.
Wait, don't go yet. Wow, that was helpful. I'm stuck. Okay, grab all of them, put them in the fire, and I'm staying by Dad.
10:47 p.m.
Okay, we can go.
Oh, 7:30.
We're about to hit the base. It's at 10,000.
There's the base.
Here, I will share my stuff with you, Dad. Come. Here, I'll give you like 3 of my things.
Oh, let me take these zombies out so I can use it for fuel.
Okay, come.
Take that one out. Oh, there's a plate. Cup. Another plate. Another zombie. Dang.
Come, Dad, come, so you can collect this money.
Okay. Where are you? Did you go to trading post?
Yeah.
I accidentally stepped on the mouse.
Here, collect this.
Oh, dang. $20.
What the heck? I didn't... Dang. Oh, did you collect
You
it?
sure I don't need any of this?
Yeah.
Think so? Yeah, I already collected. There.
Okay, collect it.
Dang, $35?
Yeah, and that's it.
Alright. Now I can get me a weapon, like a real weapon. I gotta put these zombies in there for fuel.
Dang, Mom's heck of a...
Alright.
Should I purchase a barbed wire? Where should I put my barbed wire? I'm gonna put it over here.
What, so does the gun store just not sell rifles? What the heck?
What's a med kit do?
That heals you.
I'm gonna surround this boat with barbed wire. How do I turn off this capture stuff?
Is it dark? How do I equip this gun?
Which gun? Click use.
There's a dead girl over there.
Wait, what button is that
You need to skip her
to
button.
use?
There's a witch.
Wait, I don't wanted that. What is that? What is that? Oh.
Took it. Oh my. Look, there's a zombie over there dead.
Nobody wants this one. They want the bitch.
Why?
They want to sell it.
No, I'm going to. I want to. It's a purple witch knight. It's like a Dracula, but a witch.
Just wait for another bitch to die.
Ooh. Where are you at, Dad? What are you doing?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, are you okay?
Oh, I kind of fell asleep a little. Hold on. Dang. How do I use my gun?
We should leave.
I got my bullets there. There's my gun. How do
Oh
I
gosh,
pick this
are you
up?
okay?
Drag.
Click.
How do I use
You have to
this?
use. Right click it.
What? How do I use this?
Try right click it.
It only lets me pick up the gun.
Are we ready to get going, guys?
Try to figure out how to pick up my gun. And I have like ammo.
Hold on, let me drag this barbed wire next to you. Okay.
Oh,
Wait.
I'm stuck.
It's freaking not working.
Dad's falling asleep again.
Dad.
Gotta hurry up, man. So.
Okay, we're gonna go. Let's go.
Alright, you ready?
Dad, don't fall asleep yet.
Okay, tell me when to go.
Go now, go now.
And by the way, if you're watching this, that's not me snoring. Let's shoot.
Look at that house.
Oh, we're getting in the house? Or no?
Oh. Well, I was going to, and then freaking Mary wanna go over here.
Well, look, there's zombies over there. I should probably go get those zombies. So how do you use your gun? I have a gun, I don't even... can't even hold it.
You just gotta equip it.
See, like, how do I equip this gun?
When do we get to go to the ocean? For the practice?
Please don't fall asleep yet. We cannot do this without you.
I'm sorry. I'm trying to, like, figure out how to hold this revolver.
Okay, go to your, click the middle thing.
Okay?
Click store.
Left.
Wait, go off of your
Click the
sack.
middle thing.
Okay.
Click the little dot at the gun. Now click the left gun. Go back. Click the middle thing again.
There.
It just said store over there. Let it go, then.
No, not store. If I were you, look, you want me to try for you?
Yeah.
Here. Hold on. This freaking thing is following me and I'm getting irritated.
I'll fall asleep there.
Like, seriously, I'm not using my account, trying to figure out how to.
See, press the left button to store it.
But then he cannot use it.
Oh. Well, then unequip the shovel. R2. L2.
Oh, you just gotta.
And go back.
There you go.
How did you do that?
You just gotta drag it, but you can't drag stuff with something in your hand.
Alright.
Okay, nobody take my stuff. Mari, I won't take your stuff on your boat if you don't take mine.
I'm not even at the boat anymore.
Where are you at?
I'm at this house.
What in the world?
Damn.
There's a zombie. We need fuel. Bang.
Okay, it's a lot. Okay, hold on, guys.
Tell me when to go.
Okay, you could go. Mari wanna think she better than everybody.
I just want to see what was in this freaking house.
Go, Dad, go.
Here we
We're
go.
leaving the house.
I was curious.
Where's mine?
You know this house up ahead.
Oh. That one?
Yeah, you guys hear my
Because she's Brady.
No, I'm not even not taking anything.
Oh, wow. Okay, so just stop it now.
I found a bandage.
Look at a grave, Dad.
Where?
Oh, dang.
Oh, dang. Is that a grave
I
site?
don't think you should have done that.
I can come help you. I got a revolver. Get that.
What's in here?
Easy peasy. Cool.
Hey, stop. Me and Dad did this.
There's like a zombies here.
Don't take any of our stuff. Me and Dad got this. We got the house.
It's kind of goofy.
Okay, don't go away.
Hey, I'm going. Oh, wait.
I'm just loading
Me
our
and
fuel.
Dad did this. Got this.
We're about to hit 100% fuel.
Bro, you just took some stuff.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did, because I saw stuff, and you took it.
What stuff? The freaking bottles on the floor? I didn't take those.
No, you took the head thing. That's valuable.
No.
Yes, why are you lying? I'm not saving you, bro. Tell Mike to stop being greedy.
Why are you being greedy?
No. Okay, so
Have you guys gone in that house right there
It's
already?
okay when Nerissa does it,
Nobody.
but when I do it, I'm greedy.
Put this guy in my
Yeah, you're
sack.
greedy. Hella greedy.
You know what? I did take that head, and I'm not giving it back to you.
Dad, hurry up and get on the boat.
Okay, I'm just
We're
getting
gonna
this
leave
guy.
first.
I'm already on the boat.
We'll get off because nobody wants to hear.
No,
What the heck? I'm scared.
I'm leaving.
We don't even have anything.
Oh, look. Oh my gosh. Bigfoot. Bigfoot.
Just drive the train home. Let's go.
Drive the train.
Forward! I'm getting killed by this hairy thing.
Oh my gosh.
Where is he? Is he on top? What the heck?
Oh my gosh, what the heck is that?
What is that? It's a biscuit.
Is it flying? What the heck? It just died!
Oh, dang.
What's your
What
body phone?
in the world just happened? That thing was attacking me like crazy. Am I gonna revive myself?
Yeah.
I'm glad it's cheaper than the other one.
Oh my gosh, what even the heck was that?
What the heck? There's a freaking. The freaking thing is in here.
How do I get out?
Oh, that's Dad. I thought you were. Your
Am I
freaking
alive?
thing looked like an eyeball.
Grab your thing.
Where are my things at?
Maya, move the boat so he could grab it.
Move the boat?
You know, move the boat so he could grab it.
You're right next to the thing. You could have
What in the world was that hairy thing? Freaking.
Do you get your stuff?
I got a few of it.
Here, I'll
When you
move the
grab,
boat
did you
out of
grab
the
your
way.
gun?
I don't think I got my gun.
Just gotta move it out the way.
It should be out the way now.
I don't see it down there.
That was scary.
I think everything's red.
Well, you can have my gun, Dad. Yeah.
I'm gonna go back and look for it.
It's okay. Let me check my sack, see if it's in here. What?
Did we just go to that house or no?
Which one? That one? No.
Let's just go over there and
Why don't
see.
you take Dad over there while I clear up my zombies and stuff?
Come on, Dad.
Oh, we're 100% fuel.
Okay, well, I'm gonna drag all these bodies up here.
Well, I got a pickaxe, so that's all that
Oh,
matters.
Dad, I found your gun. The boat just spit it out.
Oh,
really?
then save it for him. Place it, drag it inside the thing. We're gonna go collect this
It
stuff.
just like,
Where are you going?
it just popped out of the boat.
Dad, where are you going to? Oh, you're going back to the boat.
Here,
Are you-
Dad.
I was gonna go get my gun. What about my ammo?
I think it takes to have the ammo.
So how do I add this? Just don't hold
Press
anything.
R2? L2.
Oh, yep. L2 is the key.
You got your ammo still.
Sun's coming up. Hey, yeah.
Yeah, I'll just grab everything for you.
Dad, are these all your pirate bodies?
No, I think Mary says.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna move the boat forward for that house.
Okay.
Oh, watch out.
Hey, so are you already out of the house? Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff here.
I killed a wizard.
Well, I bet you get a lot of money up there.
I hope so. I'm gonna go put all my stuff down over here. You should use the middle compartment to put all your valuable stuff here.
Okay.
We won't take it.
Over here, where all this stuff is.
Where my things are?
No, in the middle one.
The other one, Dad. Don't go one down.
This one.
Yeah, there's a town up ahead. If we leave now, we'll have time to loot it.
Wait, hold on.
Okay. No, I need to install my things.
Okay, we could go. Yeah, you could keep it all here. Just make sure you weld it.
Oh yeah, you gotta go for the thing.
I help you weld it if you need help. There, I welded it for you. Okay, let's go, Maya.
I'm not the driver.
Oh.
Hold on, I'm welding my items.
Okay. You mind driving mine?
I can drive.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna stand
Hurry
for
up,
the
Mari.
boat.
I'm done. I thought this was gonna be on the open basement.
Let's go. Oh my gosh.
You coming, Dad?
Yeah, here I come. Get my pistol out.
Ooh, what is this? I don't know.
Headshot. You guys find anything interesting?
I found holy water.
There should be crucifix in there too. Here, Dad, you can check this house right here. Oh yeah, Dad, there's valuables in here.
What is a moyai?
I don't know. It's a tiki head.
Dad, there's stuff in here. You can holy water and a VR headset. I'm pretty sure.
Gather stuff for fuel.
Oh dang, my thing is packed already. Alright, I'll just carry you with me. You.
Oh my gosh, this is where the big foot's. They're coming. They're
Just
coming.
go.
They're coming.
Just,
Go,
just
go.
drive. Ready, go. Drive, drive, drive.
Shoot it! Shoot it! Shoot it!
Oh my gosh. What the heck? My wizard. Wait, I jumped off.
Oh my gosh, Racer, you
Stop,
better
stop it. We're
sprint.
gonna have to fight. We're gonna have to fight for Nerissa.
Hurry, Nerissa, you back off.
I didn't mean to jump off. The freaking dead wizard, like, it killed. It's dead, but it killed the Bigfoot.
How's our fuel, Mike?
Okay.
Okay,
Oh, our
go.
fuel's good. Go ahead. That scared the heck out of me. Are we close to the next base?
What the heck? No, it was my crucifix. It freaking turned into whatever. It disappeared.
Oh yeah, the crucifix. Those things will kill us everything.
Well, it freaking used itself, and I didn't want to use
Oh,
it.
there's a base ahead. Finally, dang. Oh, and there's a house right by the base. You guys want to explore that?
Ooh. We'll wait till morning. Maybe not Mari because she's baby.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Take my sack full of stuff.
We need to, like, build up our boat.
How do I put this ammo on this? How do I take this ammo
You have to
and add it?
Okay, now press drag. So R2 there.
Oh, yeah.
What does the holy water do? Those things. Dang, I got $100 from that wizard. I found it. Dad, don't forget your items on the boat that you can sell.
Oh,
Yes, you can sell stuff.
forgot about that. Let me go. Just trying to get our fuel up. Alright, where did I
You could
put my
buy a
items?
rifle here.
Yes, I need one.
Are these mines right here? Alright.
I don't really know what to buy because they don't have anything good over here. Maybe.
Oh, I can't buy anything. $4.
Okay, let's wait. Hold on, don't move the boat anymore. I'm going to this house. Dang, the sprint like reset thing is so fast. Don't go to that house. I already deleted it. Don't fall asleep.
I know I can't help it. It's like extra tired.
That means me and Mari have to figure it out on our own if you fall asleep. And then your
Wait.
stream is gonna be 10 times more.
I know. Where's my phone at? Is this mine?
Yeah.
I can see them. Okay, what are we doing now? I got money. I should probably go to the gun store and get more ammo.
There's not any revolver ammo. Just rifle ammo.
Oh, dang it. Anybody want
You
that?
could buy a rifle.
Oh, yeah, where's the rifle?
It's right there.
This one?
Yeah.
That's the rifle?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm buying it.
R2 and L2. Right, and then you pick up your ammo. And we'll go whenever you're ready.
Alright, I think I'm ready.
Okay, do you want to drive or me?
You drive, because what if I fall asleep?
What's mine? I'm right here. I'm looking at that.
Just hang out.
Oh,
Drink this coconut water.
I want to drink this.
Um,
Maya, are you on the boat? Yeah. Who's on the boat? Everyone? Actually, I'm looking at that screen. What is that? It's just rocks.
Why does this taste weird?
Water. I don't water.
I'm not putting it in the fridge. Okay. If I eat a cookie, I'm gonna wake up.
I think we should eat a cookie. Yeah.
Is that a house right there?
Protect me.
That's a tiny house.
Protect me. I'm gonna go grab a cookie and open.
Well, I want a cookie too.
I don't know what I did to them.
I'm not supposed to eat anything that's thick, but it's gonna keep me awake.
Oh, so well. My ankles is hurt. Well,
It just turned super dark. Okay, those big fuzzy things are gonna run here.
no,
Oh, dang.
Somebody protect me. Protect me. Don't try to get out. Here, take a bite. They're killing me.
I just killed 3 of them. Where you at?
Y'all are messed up. I just died.
Where are you, Nasa? Oh, hell
Oh my
no.
goodness. They
Oh, hell
kidnapped
no.
me.
What the heck?
Oh, get out of here. Where am I?
What the frick? I just died.
Where's my rifle? Oh, I revived. Did you guys move the boat?
Oh, hell no. I just died.
Papa. We all died. I think it's time to go to bed now. No, I'm still alive. Oh, well, I'm dead. And Mari's winning.
But there's a, get us alive.
3 band-aids here. What the? Put me down. One kidnapped me and you guys didn't do anything. How do I use it? Girl, just give up.
No, how do you use it for real?
Just give up so we can go to sleep. I'm tired. This witch is coming after me and I don't have anything for it. Look at band-aid. I don't know how to...
You gotta press L2 and L1.
I don't have those controls on my thing. Oh, well, I'm dead. I'm leaving.
Wait, don't.
Too late. Oh.
Wait for Mario to figure this out.
Oh, I can revive. Okay, I figured it out. Hey, Dad.
Hey, I'm alive.
I
Okay,
left the game. Sorry.
you can rejoin.
Actually, I can heal you and you can get your stuff. No, the witch took me far away. I didn't even know where it went.
Oh, they got a nasty laugh.
Fine, maybe I'll just go back. Dad, your cookie's about to fall. Is it letting you? No. See? Well, dang it. Why did I do that? Why you leave? Look, I got the blue.
Saw that? I popped her right in her head. Where'd she go?
Well, I can't join you guys back. I'm sorry. Well, it's time for you guys to go do that soon.
See what happened when you want to mess with me, witch?
Oh, I think she's dead.
You can go on my sack.
Did they drop, like, bones or something? I don't know how to from.
And I'm gonna have to put you in the fire where you
Wait,
belong.
Dad, where's money?
Oh, dang it, man.
That was like worth a sheriff bounty and money.
What's a med kit right here? They got med kit right there. Any more cookies? Was that it? What thing rolled right by your knee?
Okay. Oh, let's stop the oh, daytime. Okay.
Oh wait, I gotta hold up, stop. I gotta unhit. I gotta weld this thing down.
Oh yeah.
You're on Naritas.
Oh yeah. So all your stuff is here.
Okay, go ahead.
Well, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm gone. I cannot play anymore. I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, let's get that song, Dad.
Right.
What is wrong over here talking about?
Ooh. That's a big mosquito.
Why would he make this? Look. He's just been talking in all of these, right? Look. Lucy, your friends are weird.
Who's that?
Freaking Vaughn! I call
You
him
know,
my
my dad said that I probably have weird friends like the guys that you were talking about.
Yeah.
That's your friend, Marissa.
freaking Vaughn is just stupid. He freaking posted a picture. He's been like complaining about stuff for like 3 hours now on Instagram, and then his last freaking post was him like posing on it. I was like, what the heck?
How do you even know these guys?
They're freaking Kosei. This is Kosei's friend, but I became friends with him because he reminded me of like if he was like my little brother or something. And he was like, what the heck? Anyway.
Alright. Everything is full.
I have so much holy water. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it.
Well, how do we use it?
I don't know.
Because you probably could burn the witches up with that.
It says it's valuable.
Should we go forward now?
No, yeah.
See, I made friends with this Cambodian guy named Chris, but this other guy named Chris who's Samoan followed me. I don't even know anymore. I'm tired of people.
I just hear Samoan guy named Chris on TikTok and he tells a Gabby. Oh, what is that?
What's that, man?
We should stop there.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
possibly dark, though. Looks like this is where the witches came from.
Did we see if there's stuff in there?
Go in there real quick.
Okay.
I only got 9 bullets left.
There's a pirate up there, I think.
Someone right behind you.
What?
Right behind you.
Oh, the pirate.
Oh, my sack is full. Dang. I gotta go empty it.
That's okay. I emptied my sack, so if I see anything. Oh. Oh, they're about to kill me.
That's why you need to come back. So I gotta empty out my thing.
Oh.
Oh, hell no. Okay.
Oh my gosh, Dad. Oh my gosh.
You better get back. We don't need that.
Oh. I can't see.
Frick, I can't. The big flurry thing is coming. Got him.
Oh, was it just one?
Oh, it's not. Now he's dead. That's a Bigfoot. What the heck? Yeah, that was one Bigfoot. What if I get him? Is he worth a lot?
I think so. Okay, just.
I don't see him anymore.
You think that's the only one?
Yeah,
Oh,
there's
there's
one.
another one. Oh.
Go, drive, go. Drive. Where's my gun?
Yeah, after here.
Just drive until we reach the next stop. I'm gonna put some of these monsters. Here. What, did it not went in?
They're both going fast.
Okay, never mind. I'll make it.
I don't really want to release that place too.
Oh, we need it. Alright, let's go see what I got.
Let's see how much this Bigfoot was worth.
How much was he worth?
Not. Oh, I need to go take it to the sheriff. I have to take it to the sheriff's farm. Look at all these things. There's a witch, a Bigfoot, and a mosquito. Oh, it's 145. Dang, Dad, the witches are worth 50.
Dang, that's a lot. Do we need one of these things?
Not yet. This mosquito's not worth anything, so I'm putting it in the fire. And it says the holy water is just a valuable.
So you start driving now that it's sunny?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. What? Are you TikTok? When do we fight crap?
We should go straight to our town.
Okay.
So we can like kill a lot of zombies because we're like going low on fuel.
Yeah, we do. Look at that. There's zombies there. You want to wait there? This little house?
Yeah.
Just so we can get some zombies in.
Yeah.
I'll go check out that little house.
Where are all the zombies at?
What the heck? Yo.
Oh, those things just jump on the head.
Want this? Did you get enough zombies?
Oh, I got 3.
Here, you can put these in zombies in there. Oh, those are my kids.
Okay, oh. Whose fart is that? Not fart, probably. Yes, okay.
Well, stop here or no? Is it
Yeah.
gonna get dark though?
Well, we need the fuel.
Thought we didn't have enough fuel for it.
What? Look at the fuel. We're at 15 or
Oh
17.
dang. Okay, let's go. We gotta do this quick. It's gonna get dark.
Yeah. We just need the zombies.
Dang, one shot, headshot on that blue zombie, dead. Oh look, there's a robot head right here. Headshot. Dang, I'm getting headshot after headshot. Is that an arcade in there?
Yeah.
Can you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, you can. You should get it.
You can get it. I need to collect all these bodies.
Okay. Oh, what? The heck? It's my bullet. Idiot.
Alright. I'll go fill up the boat. You can take whatever you find.
Did you get enough zombies though?
I think so. If you have room to bring some back, you should.
Oh, I'm coming back right now. The
Oh, it's a
heck?
regular knife.
Oh my gosh, I see a big something over there. Okay. Oh, that's just our fireplace. And you. Just once I hop on, go. Don't even
Oh,
stop.
yeah. Okay, let's do it.
Alright. You can start going right now.
So, if I'm correct, it takes about like 13 zombies. No, 15 zombies to a full team of people.
Yes.
Did you sell all your excess items?
No, I weld them to the boat.
I had $300 too.
See? I weld all her stuff right here.
Oh, then all the other stuff just fell off. Dang! Yeah, these holes are like 25 each.
Dang, that's a lot. You can't buy any of this stuff in this case.
I don't think so.
Can we shoot it?
there.
Hey, Seth, can you play for me real quick?
How come?
I'm gonna go get a cookie.
Can you give me one to warm it up and get a milk?
We don't have milk. No.
There's ice cream.
Okay. You should stop the stream.
No, because I'm tired.
You want to stop it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and stop it.
Are we done playing?
Yeah, because it's so late, that's why.
Okay.
If you watched our stream thus far, we just want to thank you very much. There's a part 2 where we're playing with everybody. Thank you.
This is just the test.
Yeah. Test a new game. Anyways, stop.